Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and as the cumulative updates from yesterday, July 21st, 2020, which is the bug fixing updates, are rolling out still for 1809, 1903, and 1909. It is interesting and kind of surprising that the May 2020 update did not get any bug fixes this week or yesterday. We'll be checking that out. Of course, a lot of you are waiting for that bug fixing. One is for the optimization of SSD drives that starts every time you restart your PC. There's probably a few other little things that people are waiting for in way of maybe some fixes for some of the things that they see in version 2004. As for the update that was released yesterday, just one thing is that the major problems that it fixes, the ones that I see or the ones that people complain the most, one of them is the Windows Hello sign-in that was kind of not always working right. So if you had that problem with Windows Hello, that is fixed. One of the biggest problems also is that sometimes when you would open a new window, and you would look at the content of that window, it sometimes would actually display as a white square rather than showing the content. File Explorer that might freeze when you are watching a directory that has raw images. So if you're a fan of, taking pictures and raw pictures, you might have had that little freeze sometimes in the directories where these raw pictures are. They also fix one thing that is interesting. They say that they fix one problem that causes upgrades to fail on version 1903 or 1909. And one of the things that it has is it also means that some of you that didn't see 2004 now might actually see it in Windows Update because of this fix. So there's quite a few little things that have to do with it was impossible for you to move on to version 2004, and this could be fixed thanks to these updates that you have in here. For the rest, I'm looking at what is in the list, and apart from all of that, there's a lot of stuff that has to do with Office. So if you had some problems with Office apps like Excel and Word and Outlook, I see that there's a lot of fixes that actually are working with that. There's one that also fixes if you use BitLocker, which is the encryption tool for hard drive on Windows. It fixes a series of problems and bugs with BitLocker, so maybe that could I've seen a couple of you mention that here in the comments, that you had some issues with BitLocker. So, a lot of fixes. Once again, like I said, if it is not, if you don't have any problems and everything's fine, you just can kind of ignore this. It doesn't have any security updates, like I say, often, and that means you don't have to install it if everything's all right on your PC. But if you do have problems on your PC, check it out. As for version 2004 or the May 2020 update, we'll be waiting. Maybe there's going to be an update later this week, or maybe next week they'll be checking that out. So, of course, if anything happens, we'll talk about it here on the channel. For the rollout, it seems to be going well for those that are updating with this, but we'll be keeping an eye on the update. You never know what could happen, and sometimes some of the problems actually happen several days, or, the background noise sometimes shift to one major problem several days after the release. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.